Today we're going to replace the battery in a ProSeries mini door contact. Before you do anything, call your monitoring center and put your alarm system in test. First, take a screwdriver and pry the contact off of the base plate. Sometimes you have to work your way around the contact to get it apart. Then take the screwdriver and pry the battery out. The battery will go back in the exact same way it came out. Snaps into place. Move the contact over the base plate and it also snaps down into place. Then you want to clear your alarm memory off of your keypad.